Hello everyone, today I will share how to create a Facebook business manager. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is go to the browser of your device. After going to the browser, you write here business.facebook.com. After writing it, press enter, then wait a little. After waiting, a page like this will appear in front of you. Right now, click create an account option, and then in the account name option you will give the name of your business here. Okay, then in your name option here you will provide your name. After that, then in the place of your business email, so you will provide your business email. Now I will provide my business email. So you will give your business email here. Later if you submit, then it do not take submit, because the name you have given must be given as a two-word name. Okay, single word name does not support, so I will provide two-word name, then I will submit. When I complete my submit, then you will email the confirmation. After doing that, we will go to the email option. You need to see which email has come from Facebook, so you search your email. Okay, first of all you search your email. I think this email has a social option. Okay, when find a Facebook email, then it will click the confirmation option. It will take us directly to the business manager account, and through it our business manager account has been opened. Now if we look at our business manager, but it has become a active. Here you can see your ID and another one, that a business manager, in this very easy way. If you like the video, subscribe, share, and everyone will be fine. Allah Hafiz.